Good morning, guys. Okay, let's see what I gotta do. 143. Good morning, everyone. I hope I don't screw myself over because I activated 2 more evals just a couple minutes ago. I hope I don't get logged out like right before the open. I made a boo-boo this morning. We'll talk about it. I should probably just hide those 2 accounts because people are going to be asking questions and I don't feel like answering that question a million times. Yeah, it was by mistake. I'll explain after the open, guys. I'll explain after the open, but it was a copy trader issue. Well, it wasn't an issue with the copy trader. It was a mistake with copy trading. Let's just say I got a little lucky. I mean, I did trade my Bullnox PA account on the news because you can. And unfortunately, this account was also in a different copy trader group. And that copy trader group was on. That took the PA accounts from Apex. I had no idea till I looked and I was like, what the hell? Why am I up on? And then I panic closed, and by the time I closed everything, I was up this much already. But I'm gonna lose some on purpose, and then try to get it under 30%. All right, we got 5 minutes. It looks like I will not be trading a Looks like I will not be trading evals because they didn't activate on time. And I hope they don't activate right before the freaking open. Okay, let's test the copy trader. All right, copy trader is working. Yeah, the game was crazy. Yeah, 3 minutes till the open. All right, so we have a tight range right before the open, so I hope that's a good thing. Hopefully the range opens up at the open. Hopefully there's no lag and issues with Rhythmic like there was yesterday. Why did my evals not activate? I bought them quite a while ago. Or did they activate? And I don't even know. Maybe they did. I'm gonna YOLO 2 evals at the open as well. Oh, nope, it didn't activate. Never mind. I don't know. Oh my god, again it does this, guys. Why does the market do that? Guys, we'll talk about the wins in a bit. I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna go over them right after the open. And I'm gonna take them off because I'm not gonna answer that question a million times today. I wanna just answer it once. It was a copy trader issue. So I'm gonna be losing on purpose on those accounts. But anyway, good luck everyone. It's a tough range, of course. Market decides to just rip right before the open, and it's annoying. Terrible open. I don't know if I should just cancel it. Yeah, I mean, of course. It's not gonna work. I might have to cut it. I knew it. I freaking knew it to cut it. But if I cut it, it'll be no payouts. Should have stuck to the gut. Way too slow of an open and way too bullish of a market. Come on, just break down. Come on. A little bit more. Yes. Did it for the payouts. If not the payouts, I would have cut that thing off. Well, my biggest trading day ever, but doesn't really count. And I didn't add this account into it. Whoops. More than 8K. It's 12, 13,000. But all right, so here's what happened. I'm gonna explain this once, and then I'm gonna take these accounts off the screen because I'm not gonna answer this question every single 5 minutes someone joins the stream. Basically, with Bullnox, you could trade the news, right? Bullnox, lead trader funding, bunch of platforms you could freely. There's no restrictions on news. Well, yesterday I traded earnings with Apex and Bullnox, which you can do. Earnings is not typical news. It's something you could trade on Apex, no problem. However, this is the group I traded on the news. So I had one, the evals, and then I had one funded account with Bullnox. This account, okay? It's a newer account that wasn't over threshold yet, and now it's over threshold. And what happened was this copy trader, the leader account was that account from yesterday's earnings. So since this leader account is the account I was trading with the other group, this copy trader took the trades on these accounts. I got very lucky because it worked out and I had small size, but I did not know what happened at first. And again, as soon as I realized, I was like, oh, the copy trader is on. For some reason, I thought it was copy trader was off because I have a bunch of groups of copy trading. So the Apex accounts also copy traded. So now I'm kind of screwed because I'm well over 30%. So I got to lose on purpose. I'm going to show you guys how to lose on purpose. Oh, man. Well, good news is that... Why did I trade Bullnox? Oh my god, I almost made 3 grand on Bullnox. I traded this account. I was not supposed to trade this account at the open. I thought I took it off the copy trader. I guess not. Now I made 28. Consistency on Bullnox is 30. I mean, it's 40%. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna lose on purpose on these accounts. So maybe I'll do it off stream. I don't know yet. But yeah, those wins don't count. And I forgot to activate this account into the copy trader. I passed the 75K. I just purchased 2 Apex evals, didn't activate, so I don't know. So now I'm only gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Maybe at 19 at most by Tuesday. So I'm kind of disappointed, but just just had such easy news events last week, and I didn't take advantage of it. And now I'm doing CPI, and non-farm payroll, and getting wicked in and wicked out of these evals, and it's just unfortunate, but whatever. I got so many. Now I could activate another Bullnox account, so I'll have 6 accounts of Bullnox. Now I still want to take a payout from them, so I'll have to do the math on how much I gotta lose. Plus, this is way too big. This is like a windfall trade. Probably gonna lose at least $1,000. Get these to like 1,500. If you have hit the payout on Friday 17, you can request the payout on Friday the 17th, just after the close. Why don't you just add more sides to the trade? I could, but I will not be able to take the payout this week. Do I get paid as LLC or independent? Independent. I'm gonna do LLC definitely 100% for next year, but I might do it at some point this year. I don't know yet. Yeah, you could lose on purpose. Let me show you. I've done it a couple of times. Never on a funded account. Always on evals, like on Top Step evals. See how much did I lose there? Before I lose, I want to take a screenshot though. But see, that's like a $300 loss right there. See how easy that was? 4 ticks. That's $200 plus fees. 10 contracts. I mean, you could just lose on fees. It's crazy how easy it is to lose on purpose. All right. If I change this to which window is this? Bullnox. Oh, my whole overlay got ruined now. Um, all right. I think it's 10 o'clock. The news. Oh yeah, today was my best day ever, I think. But again, I gotta lose on purpose, so. My payout for Apex account has been approved. Can I cancel this account without affecting my payout? Why would you cancel it? Lester, why would you cancel it? All right, let me try to lose on purpose again. It already is my biggest day ever. Yep. Oh, I was gonna say, watch, I'm gonna win. All right, so lost like 600 bucks there already. I gotta do the math on how big my day could be for a payout. For ball knocks, I'm gonna keep it. Ball knocks, I'm just gonna grow the account. Um, but I just bought 2 Apex accounts and they never activated. What? That's never happened to me before. Did I not check? No, I did check out, yeah. Yeah, they're not active though. I don't know. What a day, what a day, what a day. But now, do I take my payouts? Do I take my payouts? Well, these accounts probably can't, but this account, yes. This account, yes. So at least 4,000, 5,000. But do I take payouts from these accounts? Or do I just grow them? You just never know what could happen. That's the thing. I so big on taking payouts. See, ideally for me, this would be the ideal situation right here. Request a payout. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Oh, this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to request a payout on Sunday, on the 5th, last day. I'm going to do it like at 10 p.m. and then hope that it doesn't get approved till like Wednesday or Tuesday at least. So it gives me 2 trading days to grow a cushion. Now that sounds like a great plan. Because if I have like, 2 days, and if I lose the accounts, I would have lost them anyway if I didn't take the payout. So it's not going to be, well, if I blow it, then I blow it. But if I want to grow the accounts, that is the best possible. I don't know. If I could take a payout from these accounts, then I think it wouldn't be a problem because I could, so this thing always freezes. Can't even get rid of it. Come on, wavelength. That's why I gotta update it because, oh, come on. Are we serious right now? Yeah, I could grow a cushion in those accounts, but it's news, so on news it's not really, doesn't look good when you have a big winner on news. It's all right. If I lose, at least I won't get need to upgrade your PC. I don't know. I have a pretty beastly PC. After the payment, there's only 100 left. Well, if you just made $1,600, then if it's approved, then just blow it. If it's approved, then don't cancel it. Just blow it. You know. Go into a trade with 3 contracts and try to get 2 ticks. And 2 ticks is gonna lead to like $15, $15, $15. Hey, I brought one account back from like $200 down. I don't know if I muted that on time. I'm gonna be requesting a payout from Elite Trader Funding. I'll request a payout from Bullnox. So should be alright. It's crazy because I thought I was gonna get a big payout, and I'm still gonna. I could still request a 20k payout if I really wanted to. Oh no! Please stop me out. There we go. I was gonna say, one of these trades is gonna go my direction. I'm gonna have to take a huge profit. All right, so lost $1,000 of that. That's pretty solid. See how easy it is to lose? Why is it so hard to make money? All right, so we're bringing this down to more realistic consistency. So 4,500 times 0.3, 1350. So I'm breaking the consistency a little bit here. I think one more loss and I should be fine. Hey, if it happens I win like $3,000 on this trade and it doesn't stop me out, then I'll grow the account. At that point, I'll just grow these accounts. Because account, actually this one no, but account 116 is getting close to 3 months. Yeah, it's gonna be payout number 5. 116. First payout 116 was what is this? 116 February? No, March. So March, April, May. So all right, so that's not gonna be until June. But that would be a good way to grow a huge cushion on it. Could Apex consider the whole losing intentionally and only caring about taking money out and getting a new account? Yes, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm losing intentionally because I won the money on news and I'm not in the 30% consistency. I want to be in the 30% consistency. What do you mean by losing on purpose? Is taking out the accounts, taking the money, but it's harder to do than you think. They wouldn't let us take the cushion out if that was the case. All right, 1338. Now, am I in the consistency? 4225 times 0.3. All right, now I'm $100 over consistency, so I'm gonna keep it like that, and I'm gonna request the payout. See what happens. Okay, account 116. Uh, Jay, I mean that depends. It depends how you trade overall, how consistent you are overall. If you have one windfall trade and then you have small trading days, it's not gonna work. You know, so it depends. I mean, I've been getting payouts for 6, 7, 8, 9 months total every single month, so it's consistent. You know, I'm not just getting one single payout, so everything gets factored in. And I try things. And if it doesn't work, like I did with Elite Trader Funding, I tried it. It worked. I got a payout. I didn't ask people like, "Oh, can you do that?" I just do things, and then if it doesn't work, I understand that's their rules, and that's it. Like I don't. What's the big deal if I get denied a payout? What is the big deal getting denied a payout and just getting it next time? You know. Mm -hmm, mm -hmm, mm -hmm. All right. I mean, I could just keep growing these accounts. It would be nice to have cushion. Especially on this one. This one's gonna be unlimited payouts in June. So if as long as I take the payout in the second half of May on this account, in June it would be unlimited payout. Well, I got denied a payout from Elite Trader Funding this week. They said I could request it again, so I'm gonna request it again today. I put 3 more days in of profits, or 4 days. All right, but maybe instead of losing is easy. Let's try to win. Let's try to win on account 158, brand new account. 75K account. Never had one of those. First time I've ever attempted anything with this. Like this news just made the market grindy. But it's also a 100-point move, so. Let's see. Visual trader, you could argue all you want, but that's why we have 20 accounts. If you're okay with just one account and you don't care about consistency, or you hate consistency that much, don't trade with Apex, trade with someone else, you know? Plenty of prop firms that don't care about consistency, such as Take Profit or Top Step. Ooh, that was nice. That was nice. I was not expecting that. That would have been a good long. Oh, actually, I'm gonna take a short. Break even stop. There we go. 551. Let's go. First day on this account. That was that was a small cap trade in a nutshell. Perfect false breakout. Boom. I've never heard of words of wisdom till yesterday. Someone mentioned it in my Discord. Well, that was a good start for this account. There we go. There we go. What an end to Friday. What an end to the week. I needed this. I needed this after a stressful week. The only thing that sucks is I didn't get more evals passed. So I'm still not at 20 accounts like I wanted it to be. Still got a chance on Monday to pass some, but I bought 2 and literally they didn't activate yet. I don't know what's happening. I don't have a girlfriend. I've been single since December. And I'm glad. Because things changed a lot since then. So with that being said, since we have a very, very since we have a very good day, I'm gonna do a giveaway for sure. Just give me 1 second. I just gotta order my dog's food. All right, place an order for my dog food. Well, you shouldn't lack interest when the tea shows up. I didn't buy it for that purpose. I would have to, but when you buy a McLaren, that's different. McLaren, Lambo, different status. Super happy with this. Super happy with this trade. Two PAs didn't activate. No, two evals didn't activate. Two evals did not activate. And it's weird because I've never. Oh no, they're active, but they're not showing in my. Oh, okay. I gotta log out of QUANTOWER. Oh. Usually the QUANTOWER just logs me out. Jay, so if you've never received a payout before, this is the steps. Stay under 30%. Don't trade news. Trade consistently for 10 days. But stay under 30% and don't flip unless you have to. And if you're gonna flip, make sure it's only 2 days and that's it. if you make other days seem like flips, you know, that's also something that's not good. Again, I did not want to trade these accounts. It happened that my copy trader, so basically what happened was I copy traded this group, and in this group I traded this account, and this account was the leader account for this group from yesterday's earnings. So I played earnings on this group, and since that's the leader account, these accounts also got triggered. So when you run multiple bots in your copy trader, make sure that's you're okay, you know, you're aware of that. I actually got very lucky, and I needed some of that luck today because I've been very unlucky all week. But it doesn't really help me in any way, shape, or form. I just gotta lose on purpose now. But like on my Bullnox account, for example, like that, I'm gonna keep. And I even traded this on the opening range trade, which I didn't want to. I thought I took it off, but I guess I missed it. But this account's at 4,000, and it's only on like day maybe 3. And Bullnox has 40% consistency, so it's a little bit better. But with that, now I'm over the safety net, right? So if I'm over the safety net, I could activate in another account. So that's good. And yeah, just everything's going well overall. Just upset that I'm not at 20 accounts with Apex, but darling, I use OBS. OBS is the most simple one in my opinion. How does the giveaway work? You just enter when we do it. It's super easy. But basically now, what's the point of trading more? I mean, I took this trade, I won. Took the opening range trade, was sketchy, I won. So, I mean, it's as good of an ending to the week as it gets. It would be nice to get these accounts a little higher balance. I mean, I could also take out smaller, you know, smaller amount. I could take out like 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 3. I could take out, let's say, $2,000 between these 3 accounts. So like take out 700 from each. Maybe I'll do that. So that'll be 2. This would be 4, 6. I don't know. So, I mean, I preach taking payouts when you have them, but my copy trade didn't fill an account and it went more into profit target than my target. Good problem to have. Martin, that's strange. Did you not? Did something happen to the leader account? Depends how much over you are, 30%. You could lose on purpose if you want. All right, we're getting latency lag again. Wow, 100 points down. Look at that, guys, 100 points. But there's no way I would have held this. There's no way I would have held that. But we have a failure, second failure, and now the stops are being taken out. Oh, 34%, you should be fine. Can you take a payout before passing your eval? You can't. You can't take a payout from your evals. Yeah, that's my concern. Is like if I don't take the payout, what if there's a really, really bad day? I mean, if I take a 20 grand payout, that's still a really, really, really good payout, right? But I don't feel like, I don't know. Do I ever do 25K evals? No, because I don't like them. I prefer 50K, and I even did the 75K. I mean, the 75K is not bad, especially when you trade news. 75K, it's now I have, more drawdown, and I could take out $2,250. It doesn't seem like a lot, but that $250 extra in payout is gonna come come in handy. Ideally, I would like to have two 75K accounts, so then I have two 150Ks. Because 150 on the 150K, you could take out 2750, and this is 2250, so it would, be $5,000 total. They're silly, like the 75K account is silly, because it's extra $250 in drawdown, and you got to make extra 1,250, and lifetime fees extra $40, so it's almost not worth it. But what kind of evaluation do you have to take to get a funded Apex account? You have to go to a doctor, and the doctor's going to evaluate your mental state to see if you're able to become a professional day trader. I'm just kidding. So that sounds like you are brand new to trading futures, because I've never had to explain that basic of a concept. So I'm trying to think the best way to explain it. Let's pull up the website. All right, so this is Apex, right? And you want to just go to the FAQ and read all that stuff. So I'm not gonna go into it all, but this is the evaluation you have to do. Like right there. Hit your profit target before you hit your max drawdown. That's all there is to it. Now it says 7 days of trading. Right now it's only 1 day, so you could do it in in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. You don't have to actually trade for 7 days. You could trade for 20 days if you want. So there's no days don't matter anymore. It's just this. This is the evaluation. Hit your profit target before you hit your max drawdown. It's that simple. So you got to make, I don't have any evals here, but you have to make, when it's a 50K account, so when you purchase a 50K account, which costs $33. So when you purchase one of these plans, right? So first you purchase a plan, and I recommend the 50K. One of these. It says 167, but when you use a code, it would actually be, I don't know why that code is showing up. You should be using code Alpine, much easier than this one. But yeah, you're gonna get this. You're gonna hit the profit goal of 3,000, and you're good to go. Rick's doing it. I have no idea. I'm in the same boat because I copy traded by mistake. I traded Bullnox. Bullnox allows news, and I copy traded into Apex by mistake because of yesterday's earnings. And I'm in the same boat. I already lost $1,000 on purpose here, and I'm gonna try to lose more here. But it's such a nice $12,000 day between all the accounts. Oh. Yeah, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Let's see. We'll do a giveaway once we hit almost got a payout. 250Ks, very nice. Today's day number 9 on PAs. Oof, that's the worst. I should have taken the non-farm payroll trade on the unlimited Bullnox accounts. That would have been nice. Smoke and ghost. Nope, that's not true. The Sunday session counts for Monday, so it does not count as a trading day for Sunday. So today is the last day for trading for this payout window, unfortunately. So if today is not your 10th day, you will not be able to get a payout. GP3, why would you be flagged? Think about it. Why would you be flagged? You guys, I don't know why you guys have such a big anxiety of getting flagged. I don't know if it's like previous experience or something, but you guys have to be more relaxed. It's like Apex is easy going. People that are getting flagged, they're doing something completely, they're breaking the rules. Or they're close to breaking rules, and the rule could be, 30%. Apex has taken my news profits before. Okay, good to know. How did that work? From a business perspective, why is Apex offering so many one-day passes? I think it works both ways. It helps them. One-day pass provides them more edge over other competition, so more people go towards Apex, so they sell more accounts, so they make more money, which also equals to bigger payouts. Even though we have bigger payouts, they're still making more money. So everything just aligns. That's how perfect marketing. You spend money, right? So Apex spends money on marketing by having bigger payouts. That's basically how they would market, and it pays off. It's a very big thing for prop firms, but not all of them can afford that, because what if other prop firms did that and the first trader with them makes, $1 million? They would be in trouble because they don't have the backbone. Apex has been making money since a very long time. So even if they have an unprofitable month, it doesn't matter. It's almost the same way. It works the same way as me with trading. I could use the evals. I could, YOLO the evals. I could be more aggressive on the evals because I'm getting so many payouts now that it's impossible for me to lose. But if I didn't get a lot of payouts and then I tried to do this, I would probably fail because I would, try to do 20 accounts at a time and it probably wouldn't work because I would be too nervous. But now that I have so many payouts, it's not really a big deal. I'm just trying to maximize more payouts. I don't know. I like a short now, to be honest. I prefer short at least till, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we erase this payroll report. Can I withdraw all 3K after I pass an eval on 50K? You can't withdraw anything. You just start brand new account. When you pass an eval, you just start a funded account. I thought you keep all profits on eval. Well, sorry to tell you that you don't. That would make Apex unprofitable. You keep your profits on your funded account, not on eval. All right, so I'm happy with this profit here. So again, took this short for almost almost 30 points. Yeah, there is support here for sure. What does Patrick look like right now? What do you mean? Looks like looks good long right now, but I would prefer this to fail. From April, not much. April probably only like 2 grand. I think I spent more recently, like last week, which is still April, because I lost some accounts end of last week and stuff. So I've been trying to aggressively, and it's just not been going well. I've lost a lot of evals, trying to trade news, trying to trade a lot of different things. But I probably spent around 11,000 this year. Day in features, yep. I lost on evals as well. I got into that stupid first breakout. Luckily the the trades with the PAs were fine, but the evals blew. Um Michaela or Michael? That's exactly what I did. And that's exactly what I try to tell people. I'm like, use one account, get a payout, maybe 2 accounts, get a payout, but don't go for 20 accounts without having payouts. It gets way too expensive. Unless you have a super high paying job, it gets too expensive. Consistency, yeah. So I'm not gonna either request. I mean, this account's fine, but this one I'm probably not gonna request a payout from it. I I don't know yet. I'll take one more trade here. If I lose, eh. Typical Alpine chasing. Price action. Well, I took a $200 loss there, so that's gonna be it for today. I mean, this might go. It's just using a tight stop loss just doesn't work in this 20. I mean, it's 10:30 and we still got 20 ATR. Just not enough room. Yeah, so painful. Ooh, that hurts. Ooh, that hurts. That is such a painful loss. I'd rather lose it. It hurts less to lose a funded account than it is to lose like that, and that's why I don't use stop losses. Legit, it's so much easier to lose a funded account than it is to lose on a trade like this, and then it goes right away in your profit. It's so funny how that works. Unfortunately, I didn't give you any liquidity because I'm on the sim account. What a bunch of crap. Oh man, that would have been a nice winner. It depends how long. Depends how long. For everyone's different. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days has been my range. All of those in between. So, I do copy trade, yes. Just not this, no. Not this one. I have to take a shot again because I can't. There we go. My goodness, don't do this to me. Market, don't do this to me. Oh my goodness, guys, I was up so much. And it's just gonna reverse. I'm done. I'm shutting that platform down. What a way to end the Friday, to piss yourself off. I might just use this account. I might just scalp the crap out of it. I mean, at this point, what's the difference? The account's not green, so might as well try. But you see how a stop loss ruins me? Like, it ruined everything. A stop loss ruined everything. It's crazy, but that's exactly why I don't like using stop losses. This stop loss ruined it all. If not for the stop loss, I would have won on this trade, and we're not talking about losing. So what you think protects you actually does you worse, in my case. And now I'm frustrated, and I don't feel like trading anymore. I was so happy just a few minutes ago, and now a single stop loss takes you out. And then if this took me out and it continued higher like it did here, that's a different story. Yeah, I'm going on tilt a little bit. Oh, not going on tilt because I don't really care, but SP trades, yeah, that would be ideal. But then you might miss the second payout. So if you don't get approved by Tuesday, end of Tuesday, you have to make a decision whether you want to trade those accounts or not. Unbelievable. It won't go. Go, go, go. Are we serious? We have to go back to scalping now? Makes me want to go back to scalping because I was just up on this and now it's like it wants to break out, but at the same time it wants to pull back. It's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. What a joke. What a joke. Well, it was a trap. You just gotta wait for it to pick direction because right now it's right now it could go both ways. There it goes. Just enough to stop me out. Oh my goodness, so frustrating. Using micros is the only solution to this though. Unbelievable. Why couldn't this explode here? Why? Why did I have to retest twice? Oh, that's so annoying. Oh man. Hmm. We'll see what happens here. I'm gonna wait it out, see. Would have been so nicely green right now. Frustrating end to the week. Well, I'm not gonna chase it now. I'm gonna wait for their breakout or reversal of the highs. You could hedge. Why can't you hedge on trading view? Oh, interesting. Damn, Nutty's up a lot. He better get back. He's got the same trade as I did, and I'm not in it. Like legit, his entry is identical to mine. That is crazy. See? Oh no. It's gonna get stopped out. Come on, let me just get to green. Keep chasing. And I have to sit through all, like I can't get this clean move. This was a clean breakdown here. I just need to get to green and I'm done. Just like that. Just like that. I'm done. I made like extra $85 overall between all these trades. I don't use a VWAP. Bob. Of course, now I cover it and it goes lower. That's all right though. That I don't mind. I'm happy with this. At the highest point of drawdown, green on the day, green on the trades. I'm happy with that. And I would trade an eval, to be honest, guys. I would trade an eval, but I would know that it would frustrate the hell out of me, so I don't want to ruin my weekend. Like, I really want to get back to 20 funded accounts, but now it's not the time. Was it easier to trying to lose money? Yeah, it's super easy. My goodness, I feel bad for Nutty. He was up so much here. Gabriel, how much have you withdrawn from Apex? Or what prop firm are you with? Nah, 15 accounts. That's minor leagues. How many payouts have you received? Oh, you haven't withdrawn yet? Well, I withdrew on accounts 4 and 5, and then I didn't get a payout till account 21. So I had like a 15 account stretch where I didn't get a single payout from Apex. Luckily, I was able to get a payout in that stretch from Ballnox, but um oh, and also if you haven't received the payout yet, this I will tell you one suggestion. Again, this is not, and I used to talk about this all the time. I haven't mentioned this in a while, but one of the biggest things I talked about in my previous videos when I used to make videos more than live streaming was keeping your emotions neutral. What that means is don't celebrate your wins. Okay, if you over celebrate your wins, you're gonna be super, super angry at yourself when you lose, and you're gonna go through a huge roller coaster. Especially when the wins don't even count really. Payouts count. The wins within the accounts are just numbers. There's no real value in them until you get the payout. So, keep your emotions in check. And I know this from experience. I used to like, you just saw me be like frustrated, but this is still like, that frustration is still just like the tiny bit of my frustration years ago. Years ago, I would have been like walking away, or slamming my fist on the desk type stuff. And it was just very, very different because I was like celebrating my wins. And then when I would lose, I would get super upset. So now it's like keeping it as neutral as possible. Like, yeah, am I happy to have my best day ever, $12,000? Yes, but does that really change anything? Not really, because um it's just $200-300 per account, and I just traded more accounts today, and I have a couple bigger winners, and that's about it. But it still doesn't change a fact of how much I'm gonna get paid, right? I still got to go through so many more steps to get paid. If I would have made $5,000 today, it wouldn't have made any difference. But um, you also said you were up like $700 today, and then you said you're gonna take one more trade or something like that. That is also something to consider. Like, what is the benefit of you making more money today, or more tokens, as I say? If you already made 700, unless you're trading on eval, yeah, that's different. But if you're trading on the funded account and you made $700 and it's a 50K eval, you already are close to that 30% consistency. If you just want to make, the minimum for payout, so there's no point of pushing the boundaries. Are these figures your actual pay that you receive? Which figures? I received payouts are gonna be right here in a second. Well, let me just. These are my payouts all the way on the left side of the screen. You can see all my payouts. That's the actual money I received. That's not how much money I made trading. How much money I lost trading doesn't matter. I don't actually have any clue how much money I've made, how much money I've lost, or what's my actual, like, I would love to, like, now I would love to know how much money did I actually make total in my accounts to request that many payouts. Over all the accounts, how much money, like the total P&L, what was the actual P&L? Was it green? Was it red? You know, like, I don't know. I don't know what my P&L was. I would love to know. A lot of the accounts I lost were at break even. So I'm definitely profitable. Um, you can find that out with Excel. No, you can't. Not really. How am I gonna go back to all my other accounts I had? Candlelight, yes. Especially in the beginnings, that's what I did. Yeah, I mean, that I know already how much I'm profitable. I'm talking about the actual trading itself. How much money did I make? How much money did I lose on my funded accounts? Barack, I don't use Sierra charts, so I don't know. But you could I've used level 2 on QUANTOWER. 81K, that's a goal for many for a year. That was, well, it's not impossible if I would have kept track. Alan, but see, like, thanks for checking out all the videos, but like, when did I say I got rejected by Apex? Because I didn't. Elite Trader Funding, ETF. That's not ATF. ETF. I got denied by Elite Trader Funding, and it had nothing to do with ORB. It had to do with the fact that that I flipped 2 days, and on Elite Trader Funding you can't flip. No, it's all good, Alan. But yeah, it's that's the only thing that sucks about being in the public eye. People like mishear things. People start spreading things. You know, DCA opening. You know, I get comments all the time like that. I'm like, and sometimes makes me want to just not even like delete my Discord and just get off social media because people are just, you know, overthinking things. How I like to look at it. Nah, Alan, don't give me too much credit. You're the one pressing the buttons. You're the one doing the work. So give yourself credit. I like to hang out, and I always say this. If I'm not, before I started streaming every single day, I would be in someone else's stream, and then if I was not focused on trading, My entertainment is Twitch. Okay, I watch Call of Duty and iRacing streamers all the time. Like that's who I fall asleep to. That's what I watch in the mornings. Like I wake up at like 8 o'clock in the morning today, 7:45 even for the non-farm payroll. For like 30 minutes, I watched Twitch. You know, like streamers is something that I enjoyed the most, and it's entertainment. I'm not watching them to learn how to play Call of Duty. I watch them for entertainment and fun, you know. So like sometimes I just want the background noise, and I know a lot of people watch the streams for that reason. I know a lot of people watch the streams afterwards. So I'm trying to read the questions um as I answer them. Some people are listening in their cars. Some people are listening in the background, so they don't actually, you know, read the chat. Gabriel, for now I'm done. I'm done trading for now. I think I tried very hard. I mean, I might take one more trade, but I think that I'm happy with this because I went from up 200 to down 200, now to up to 85. Can I suggest an iRacing Twitch streamer? Do you prefer oval or road racing? Hopefully this goes up for Nutty. Nutty's still holding the long. Is he trading micros? Because that thing's barely moving. No, he's in mini. How is he in two minis? No, he's got to be in micros. What the? It says minis. He's down 20 points. Yeah, it's got to be micros.
Handler, come on. No, I'm not gonna add. It's tempting to add, but nope. That's gonna just compound my. That's gonna compound everything and make it worse.
Is PA 116 blown? No,
How
it's
much
in.
money is one tick on this trade I'm in? The trade I'm in currently is I'm in with 2 micros, so that is $1 per tick. $1, just $1. It's only $1, but it's crazy how much it can move. Rip it higher! Come on, you weakling. Market, you are pathetic. Absolutely pathetic. And I hate you.
Oh. Oh man. Gabriel, no. I have a Brazilian wedding to DJ on Saturday, tomorrow. Brazilian weddings, yes, but I don't really know the music too well, so it's stressful. It's not I don't any like Latin American, weddings are super fun and I understand the music. Like Latin music I'm very good with. No, no, it's the bride's here. Yes, Ball Knox is good alternative. It's a lot different, but what a sell off. What a short, what a win we could have had here. So I take bigger size. I gotta just take one off, and then let one run. Am I getting another car? No, just same car. Well, this car, yeah. That was my plan since last year to kind of make it happen. Unlike someone else, I didn't buy the car for YouTube purposes. I'm not gonna park it behind me. And no hate with that, because that's obviously good marketing and stuff, but new. I got a new, I customized it, I built it myself, and it's coming from Germany on June 28th. Like like he's not gonna drive that car. That is my car. 158, 159,000. Yeah, boat I understand. He loves boats, so that that I understand. That's like me buying a boat. Him buying a McLaren is like me buying a boat. Why not black? Black cars kind of lose their details. I was debating between black, red, white, or chalk. I would buy an R8 if I could. R8's a good car. Now just start making 1,000 on each account to hit 30%. I don't even need to hit 1,000. But yeah, should I lose on purpose on this account, or should I just let it go and not request to pay out this cycle and just let it grow? Maybe I'll do that. Because this account has a huge potential. Plus, if Apex was to remove the profits, then I don't want to get screwed. McLarens are nice, but McLarens are not reliable cars. How strict are they on the 30% rule? It depends. Depends how the rest of the days were. Is there paddle shifters on the Porsche? Yep. It's the best transmission there is. PDK is the best transmission. Watch any YouTube video. There's no better automatic transmission than PDK. It's especially on the GT cars, like the 911s, like the regular cars are a little bit different, but the GT cars, like the GT3 RS, like the paddle shifts, I mean, it's just there's no better transmission. The fastest transmission. You could do launch control all day. There's no, like every other car manufacturer, you could do launch control, then you got to cool the car down, all that crap. Porsche, you could do launch control after launch control, and it's incredible. This is my interior. So I went with the bucket seats. That was extra $6,000. I'm gonna redo that. I'm gonna get the inserts redone in different color. Maybe I'll do like the gray color inserts. Gotta do an exhaust, a tune, PPF, lower it. So it's like right away, it's gonna be like 200K. Well, the back seats don't come on my car. I don't have back seats. But on the regular 911s, you could get back seats. I mean, you could add it on this car too, but I don't have back seats. These seats don't fold. Yeah, it has to be lowered. A hot shot. But not just on springs. It's got to be height adjustable springs. Did Nutty stop out? Oh, he's still in. Let's go. Some people say Porsche shifting are too perfect, so it's not as fun to drive. Those people have never been to the track before. No, I'm not lowering it a lot. My car now is so low that I hate it. So I'm not making that mistake again. I have H&R springs now. You can't just do springs. When you just do springs, it's not good. Come on, market. Go, go, go. What car am I driving right now? A Porsche Boxster. Oh, I gotta sell it. I gotta put it up for sale, like that's the car I drive now. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. That's the car I drive now. That was my no. This wasn't the picture from it, but my last track day was last couple weeks ago. So I was debating to get black because black, I mean, it looks very, very clean. Can't go wrong with black and gold. But one day I'm gonna get this car, and maybe I'll get this one in black. This is the Targa. So the Targa is my dream car as well. It's a way different car than my car. But for daily driving, this is the dream. So I made this for me. Wallpaper for my phone. It's pretty cool. Yeah, black is the worst to maintain color-wise. White, I was thinking about getting white, but it's too plain. Yeah, they say black cars are showroom cars. You mentioned a video about unlimited payouts. I have these two accounts are over 3 months old. So basically I could take a maximum payout, meaning that there's no cap. I'm not capped at 2,000 on these accounts. Whatever I want to take out from these accounts, I can. So if I grow these accounts to 10,000, I could take out 10,000. If I grow them to 30,000, I could take out 30,000. And then same thing with these two accounts. These two accounts here on Bullnox, I have unlimited payouts. So anything over 26,500 and anything over 52,600, I could take out fully. And these two accounts are my oldest accounts. They're with me since December. So we're going on 6 months now, or 7 months even. Any issues with trade copier with QUANTOWER? Once in a while, but that's very rare, and that's gonna happen with most copy traders. If say it was my first day on the PA, yes. Bowser, as long as you start your brand new PA account on Tuesday next week, you could get a payout mid-May. However, you're just gonna have 10 days. I hope to get to 20 funded accounts by Tuesday. So on Monday, I'm gonna try to aggressively pass evals at the open. Because today there's no way to do it. Maybe if I'm around at 3:50 p.m., maybe I'll take a hedge on 2 evals. I don't know. We'll be doing a giveaway today. Yes, I don't know what time yet. I haven't figured that out, but we'll be doing a giveaway at some point to celebrate the best day. I can't wait to watch this video.
is pretty good, sire, but
Is Sierra Charts better than ATAS or QUANTOWER? I don't know. I've heard only good things about Sierra Charts. It's just very hard to set up. Where did I get the days traded? That's just a custom column, so yeah, so you could just make a custom. And you have to manually keep track of it. So what I do now is I do payouts. So payout may, and then I type in. Is it pending? No, these won't be. So that's something I would do. And then I know if I requested a payout, so I know if I'm waiting for it, if I should, keep trading the account. So sometimes I don't request the payouts at the same time. Most of my payouts, the biggest ones, I take the payouts in different times. So like I'll request the payout on the first, then I'll request the payout on the second, the third, depending on when I get to it. So I like to keep track of which accounts I requested the payout, because sometimes the balances like just will not tell you exactly if you took a payout, because sometimes the balances like I've had accounts where I took the payout and the balance was still like 2,000 on it, so instead of pushing the account for a payout, I already took a payout, so I got to remember that. Because that's what I did yesterday. If you missed it, I took a trade on earnings yesterday. I thought it was a really good trade. So next time, earnings, Apple, Google, those two are the best ones, but this was my, actually I have well, this was the chart. So this is the trade I took on the earnings. It was like 40 to 45 ticks. You could see the targets got filled into different spots. So it was like 40 to 45 ticks. And then could have taken a lot more, but I've made like 860. And then this account was the red account yesterday. So I was red on this account yesterday, and I made it back to green, 268. And that's why today 116, 143 were traded during the news by mistake. So that kind of sucks, but maybe I'll just make the best out of it. What is the name of my opening trade video? I don't have an opening trade video. I'm not sure what you mean by that. I've traded my first day on Apex today and hit the profit goal. What's next? No. Krishna, you're gonna get a, like Alexi said, you're gonna get an email today at 6 p.m. Eastern time to activate the account. You don't have a video on your opening trade strategy? No, I don't. And there's many people that do it, and they do it well. And I've never like fully explained it. I mean, I explained the concepts, but not the thought, you know, my exact entries and stuff. I used to, my members used to get videos of it. So all the green people used to have videos of it, but could I explain it? Sure. So you set up whatever take profit you want. Set up whatever stop loss you want. I prefer not to use stop losses. And if this is the open, right? This is, let's say 9:29. The market's about to open in 10 seconds. I'll place an order above and below the range. And then whichever order gets filled first, this is an OCO order, so the other side cancels. And that's the opening range trade. Finding the range is the trick. Okay, so you got to find what range works for you. I've adjusted, I've made changes many times. I've used to go tight, now I go wider. Sometimes I go wide on the long and tight on the short. Sometimes I go tight on the short, wide on the long, because I don't want to get trapped into the trade. That's a little bit of just like the gut feeling.
Actually, I need to put in a target here. Give me a
Rip it. One day to pass, so this case no activation fee. There's always an activation fee, Krishna.
here. I mean, it's still, hey, how we doing, Alpine? Let's go for the win. The light stop. That's right. Not that seems right here, to be honest. But when it was gone, so I'll make sure everyone understands this is technically was my wife's fault. I don't want to say that I'm blaming her, but technically it was her fault for this spin fast here. And I say that because I'm pretty sure she's not listening to the stream. Obviously, we got the trend line here. But if I would have wasn't distracted and was this trade here, I would have taken my profit. Okay? 100% would have taken my profit. But then we did sit through all this. We went from 100 winner
Wow.
to 220, or I think it was like $195 or whatever. And looks like we might just get back up there.
What a squeeze. On average, so Daniel, Apex pays out twice a month. They pay out on the 15th and they pay out on the 30th of the month, or the last day of the month. It doesn't matter when you get approved. Subtitles on YouTube? I don't know how that works. I don't know if you could do that on live. What happens if you failed eval, submit a renewal payment, and it doesn't go through? Well, Nutty stream just died. All right, let's see how many likes we have on the video. How many likes? Hit the like, guys. How many likes we got? We could do a giveaway now. Because I will be tempted to take a trade, and I don't want to. 300. Oh, we still need 70 likes to do a giveaway. Dislike, we gotta be at net positive 400 likes. Wow, what a move. Double bottom right there. Higher low. What a squeeze. Pete, welcome to the members club. When we do the giveaway, you're gonna get 4 times your entries. So you're gonna get 4 tickets instead of 1. And if you win the giveaway, you're gonna get a refund on the membership, in addition to the eval cost. Do I trade on my funded futures? No, I don't. I got banned. Top Step, I used to trade. I mean, I traded with Top Step and my funded futures. Top Step, I'm gonna redo it again. The thing is with Top Step, I just got to do bigger accounts. The 50K accounts just don't work well for me, for my strategy. So I got to do the 150K account with Top Step. It just will take me forever to pass Top Step. And it's an expensive eval, so you can't just YOLO it. Why am I banned on my funded futures? I don't know exactly. They haven't disclosed that, but they just said they choose not to work with me, and they said they have the right to decline anyone an account. So I did get a payout from them. I really had a good run with them. I had like a 40-day winning streak with my funded futures. So I got some money out of them. So I got to test them. And I think the expert accounts are pretty good. But I mean, this is my funded account with my funded futures. You could see that I'm very green. You know, all the days are very green. Some days are 2 seconds, 1 second, 2 seconds. I got paid out. And they said that my style is approved. So I did not scalp with them. So I did not do like 10 tick scalps or 7 tick scalps. It was only 22 ticks always. Got 2 payouts and then I lost the account the last day. So I got 4,500 out of them and then 2,100 loss, which was the safety net. Nope, I didn't have any issues, no. But I also did not take a big, big payout. Yeah, but then ask, that's very possible. Plus they gave me the account for free. So I'm sure denying it wouldn't be a good idea. Black coffee, yeah. So I lost one. I lost $1,000 on one account, and then the other one I think I'm just gonna keep and just grow the hell out of that account. Use that as a cushion. Use it as a 150K account. So I'm gonna take 5 contracts or 4 contracts at the open, make $400 a day till mid-May, and that's gonna get the account to like almost 60,000. And once it's at 60,000, I mean that's gonna be a very, very good cushion, and then I could always use a stop loss on it so I don't lose the account one bad day. Do I use a trading journal? Not for futures. I used to use a trading journal for stocks, but not for futures. Dashing trader, yep, you could. That's what I'll be doing. A lot of these accounts, I have not requested a single payout yet, and I'll be able to request the payout today. I have to decide which accounts I want to request a payout from, how much, and all that stuff. But with Bull Knocks, I'm gonna take the maximum payout. Bull Knocks is just, I don't know. I have some kind of like good luck with them. In the beginning, I had really bad luck, but now I have really good luck. So I'm gonna request $2,250 from my from Elite Trader Funding. I think I'm gonna request close to 5,000 from Bull Knox, or maybe even more. I gotta do the math. And then I don't know how much to take out from Apex. I don't want to blow those accounts. And I want to have a big payout the second half of May. Is scalping allowed on Apex? Yes. How do you get this app? That's just Rhythmic Trader Pro. So if you have Rhythmic accounts, you could log in. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. T, yes. If you start on Monday, you'll be able to get a payout. Tuesday is the last day to start. All right, we got 400 likes. While I eat. While I eat, we could do the giveaway. Go ahead, enter. All right, 3 minutes. Wow, what a squeeze here. Well, it's always been like, I mean, this is a much cleaner move than this. This was chop. This is a clean move. One minute, guys. 1 minute remaining. When this closes, I am not opening it. I'm not even looking at the chat. I'm just going to pick a winner. All right, good luck, guys. Good luck. Giveaway is closed. Winner. Pick winner. David. David's a regular on stream. Congrats, David. Send me an email with your YouTube and your Venmo. And if you don't have Venmo, PayPal works too. Venmo is easier and faster, but how to flip? I mean, flipping is, I actually got a trade. I almost passed the lead trader funding eval. I forgot that I have to trade that. So I need to make $33. But how I would flip is I would just take, well, flipping I usually just do, I click market buy and click market sell, and that's it. All right. I got to trade for 5 days, so that's it for now. I'll make the other profits. But that was basically like a flip. I would love to get funded with Elite Trader funding. I mean, with Tick and Take Profit Trader next. But it's not looking like it will happen. Bowser, what are you doing, bro? Guys, stop. That he got scammed on his giveaway yesterday. I have a good way of checking if it's the right person, so. Like you have to send me like when you win, you have to send me a screenshot of your YouTube, so I gotta know that this is you. Yeah, I gotta figure out something's going on with the stream that if you are not focused on the stream, like if the window is not focused, it goes out of sync. You building cushion on the PA 116? Yes, I guess so. I think that's the best way to go about it. I mean, it would be nice to take the payout from it as well, but I would have to lose quite a lot to get under consistency. Okay. David, I think that's you. Is your Venmo David, your Venmo is and it's what's the last 3 digits of your Venmo? All right. Got it, David. Sent it. All right, guys, what's the plan now? What is the plan? These are my trades from earlier. Some chop. Scalp like a demon. I gotta request my payouts from Volnox. Maybe I should do that. Let's do that so I don't rush it later. Let's see. Payout request from Volnox. Account 6541. I'm gonna write this stuff down. Account 541. Unlimited payout. And the balance is 3,404 minus 1,600. Okay, I could take out $1,800 from account number 541. All right, so payout 541 is gonna be 1,800 from 431. Also unlimited payouts, so it's 5,688, 5,688 minus 2,600, 3,088. So let's say $3,000 from that account. 431 be 3,000, and then this account, which account is it? 44. Nope, just gotta pay out from that. Just gotta pay out from that. Oh no, that was a loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And this account is going to be 1500. Account 44. $244. All right, so I'm from Bullnox, 3000 plus 1800 plus 1500. 6.3K from Bullnox. I'm gonna request plus 225 from ETF. That's 8.5. And then from Apex, I could request. If you do 2 accounts on different direction, does Apex allow that? Yes, they do. It's not as easy as you would think because of trailing drawdown. But yes, they do allow that. I don't know if I should grow the accounts. Such a tough decision, especially on Bullnox. Because if I grow the accounts, I could up my size. If I up my size, then in like 10 days, or at least another 5 days, it would make a big difference. If I trade my Bullnox accounts for another 5 days, that would make a big difference in the payout total. Because I could up the size and I could make like $4,000. But it's like one bad day and could have ruined it all. Decisions to be made. That's only for PA funded accounts. Trade open is allowed with Apex. Yes, if you have a strategy, then yes. I don't know why people are still typing Apex. They're so behind on the on the stream. It's pretty bad. Why do all strategies fail over long run? That's not true. Pay the trader. It's hard to find a proper strategy though. Why do I prefer Apex or Bullnox? It's a big difference. Apex, you could take out the safety net. On Bullnox, I can't take out the safety net. Like, I have $5,000 in this account. I can't take out all of it. I have, 3,400. I can't take out all of that. So you can't take out the first initial balance versus with Apex, you can. Like with Bullnox, these accounts wouldn't be able to take a payout. It's a big difference. $2,800 here, I could take out 2,000 on Apex, right? But on Bullnox, I wouldn't be able to take out a payout. Bullnox also to activate more accounts. Like this account just got over the safety net say. I made almost 3 grand on it. Now I could activate another one. So I passed the eval like last week. I couldn't activate it till I get this account over 2,600. So now I could activate another one. So you can't activate all the accounts at once. You could have up to 11 accounts, but you got to steadily activate them. You can't just activate them all at once. So it's kind of a pain. That's the main things. It's less of a payout. You could take out 1,500 instead of 2,000 from the 50K accounts as well. So I like Bullnox. It's my second prop firm. When it comes to payouts, that's my second most profitable one, but it's still nowhere near as good as Apex. I'm trying it to make it to be as good, but the restart process, you know, it's five days for evals. There's so many different differences. What Bullnox requirements to get more accounts to get to safety net? Want to get to safety net, then you can activate more. I've blown over 25K PAs in 2 months. Alexander, how are you getting those PA accounts? How are you getting those PA accounts? If you can't hold them for 3 days, how are you actually passing your evals? When do you recommend switching to QUANTOWER? Right away. Get used to it. It's free. Alexander, so you have the same problem I do, but in reverse. So my problem on evals is when I try to pass evals quickly and not like actually YOLO them, I try to keep trading. So I'll make $1,000 on an eval and I continue to trade and I lose the eval. Versus on the funded account, I make $200-300 and I'm good. So on a 25K account, you just need $150 a day. You're probably trying to make, you know, 500 bucks in a day and then, but 25Ks are difficult. I say go for 50K. It's much easier. Is QUANTOWER worth it? Yeah, I mean, try it out. See if you like it. It's free. Initially, it's free, unless you want some extra features. They're not easier to pass on eval. On the eval is not easier because you can only use 4 contracts or 3 contracts. It's actually easier to pass 50k. You just need 61 ticks. 1500 divided by 4 divided by 5. On the 25k, you need 75 ticks. On 50k, you need 61 ticks. So it's technically easier to pass. But again, it's faster. Everyone, that's what you think. It's faster, it's faster, it's faster, but it's really not. Yeah, Rhythmic is cheaper than Trade of 8. Yes, they do. It's the data feed on QUANTOWER is through Rhythmic. Like, you could actually see right here, it says Rhythmic. You know, so it's actually provided by Rhythmic. How many days do you have to pass? There's no days. You take as long as you want. Yep, this is exactly what I do every day. I had a little boo-boo today, so I made more. But this is exactly how much money I make per day, and this is how much money I've made this, you know, this year, 215 or whatever thousand it is. Initially, I like to get bigger days. A couple days are bigger on the accounts. Like this is the first day on this account, so I made 400. Probably make 400 on Monday, and then I'm gonna scale down to $200-300 a day. It sucks because you just get to $3,000 for payouts, and then you get the payouts, and then you have a small drawdown, and then typically I have to just make $100 for a few days. But my goal is to grow the accounts a little bit more at some point. So this is gonna be a good start right there. But it's not easy. It's too easy to lose the accounts. Can you pass Bullnox eval one day? Yes, you can, but you still gotta trade it for 5 days total. There's no consistency, so you could pass it in one day, but you gotta open and close trades for 5 days. Same as elite trader funding. What if you made $200 and you've seen your best setup? Would you I would trade it on another account. Jamie, congrats. 3 weeks and the first payout's approved. Very nice. Will I ever go back to stocks? I'm thinking about it. Maybe end of this year. If things go well, I'll start next year. 2025, if anything. It's an accounting nightmare to do stocks. So I'm not gonna do it now. But if I make like 500,000-600,000 trading this year, then I probably will do stocks as well. What platform do I use for stocks? I use Dash Trader, DAS Trader, Direct Access. Direct Access something. I forget what it's. Direct Access System. I forget what it stands for. Dash Trader. I don't know how to stop trading on the losing day. That's the toughest thing to do. I mean, I blow accounts too. It's not that I don't blow accounts. But once it starts to slow down and start to realize that small profits add up and you just start doing it. I mean, what I'm doing right now is not something I've been doing a long time. Trading this many accounts is brand new to me and I'm growing as I go. I mean, right now I have like 25 funded accounts. I mean, my dream was to get to like 25, 30 accounts, a few months ago. And I'm still going through like, issues. Like last week I lost so many funded accounts with Apex. A huge setback. If you're going to Asia for 3 weeks and you can't trade, I would just ignore it and activate it right before it's renewed. So look at the date where you bought the eval for that account, sign the document, but don't pay for it, and pay for it either when you come back or if the renewal date is before you come back, pay for the account then. If I just didn't, I just realized if I didn't take the Amazon earnings short trade, I would have been requesting like a 30K payout. So annoying. All right, guys, I'm gonna be calling it. I think 12:30. Getting boring out here. Very tight range, and it's more of a Q&A stream at this point, which I love doing, but I don't want to get caught into in a bad trade, because I'm super happy with my best day ever on funded accounts. 8.1 grand on Apex. Now, with bull knocks, I mean, doesn't really count. I mean, this account, with bull knocks, you can't take out the first 2,600 on the account. So again, these are just numbers. So it's my best numbers I've ever received on. It's 12.3K. All right. Lucky Yang, it depends. Depends what kind of news and all that stuff. Like I traded news this morning by mistake, so um I have to keep that in mind that that account could always get denied. I'm gonna try to make the account where it's like it's gonna be like 20% consistency. So actually, I'm gonna lose on purpose here a little bit, just a little bit. See, just like that, lost 200 bucks. Very easy to lose 200 bucks. But to make 200 bucks, it's so hard. But now it makes it a little easier to for QUANTOWER, yeah, you get 10% with my code. Can you teach me how to DCA with Apex? I don't know. I don't DCA. But you can. You could DCA with Apex and if you do it right, Daryl said, as long as you do it, you know, with some kind of plan and not just always add, you're fine. My opening range trade is 99% of my winnings, and I do not DCA on the opening range trade. So, Gio, good try. We love you. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing with yet another account. You are subscribing to my channel, letting it grow. Any earnings say no? Typically, no. Typically Fridays there's no earnings. G is a guy that's never gotten a payout before, and he sucks at trading, and he's just a troll. We know exactly who he is. It's quite funny. Is it possible to change from mini to micro on the PA stage? Yes. It's more so about your P&L than anything else. What's my favorite prop from Apex? Didn't I just blow half of my accounts? No, they were at break even. You blow your accounts when you don't get a payout with them and when they're in the negative. When you break even on an account, you don't really blow. You just hit the drawdown. That's not blowing. Big difference. Good try. To give you an example, I can't blow these accounts. These accounts are not, you can't blow these accounts. The auto liquidate is at break even. You can't possibly lose it. If that was a live account, you'll be break even. You're not losing. Alexander, yes. Yeah, you could write off the fees. But guys, I am very honored. You know why? Because when someone creates a new YouTube channel just to come in here and troll, and they have to subscribe to the channel, it helps the channel grow. It's a very big honor. It doesn't matter if you unsubscribe. You already subscribed. The count goes up. YouTube it or Google it. You'll see. It helps the channel grow. Well, I'll be requesting my $25,000 payout, and you'll be requesting 0. So, adios. What a loser. Nah, this is one troll that we have dealt with for a long time now. No, he's not an ICT. He's not an ICT trader. He's just a non-profitable trader. He is an ICT trader, actually. I can't trade. I'm not saying I'm a good trader either. I've never said that once. I'm good at getting payouts. Lavi, thanks for the kind words. What is slow market today? Do bad traders get payouts? Bad traders don't, but inconsistent, profitable traders do. And the difference is that I can make money most of the time, but then there's times I don't. But again, when I blow an account, I would say in the beginning, no, but lately, yeah, I made 12 grand. Lately it's all the accounts I lose are pretty much at auto liquidate break even. That means you can't lose on that account. Like you started at 50,000, you get to break even. That's not, you didn't lose any money. So if I compounded all the P&L, that would be a break even account. And if I got payouts from it, it'll be a profitable account. So the haters can, well, haters, there's like 2 haters out there. Because I'm so open, people can't hate. That's the funny part. Like there's nothing they could say to me that is gonna really you know, upset me, because there's really not much they could say. High PA accounts, well, doesn't matter if I have 1 PA account and I pay it $85 a month for it, or if I have 12 PA accounts over the course of a year and I pay $85 for it, right? There's no difference. The cost is the same. The goal is to get 1 payout from each account on average. Obviously, in the beginning, that wasn't the case, but now that's the case, and that's the plan. And the goal is to make money. The goal is not to trade pretty or like, yeah, one day it would be nice, but trading is hard. That's why most people fail at trading. If it was easy, then why are there haters? Well, Cristiano Ronaldo has haters. Messi has, I don't know what sports you guys follow. Messi has haters. Max Verstappen has haters. Lewis Hamilton has haters. LeBron James has haters. Wayne Gretzky, I don't know. Sidney Crosby. All the best in every sport has the most haters. So it's just part of it, but I'm not saying I'm at that level, not even close, but in the YouTube space, I'm one of the most profitable. When it comes to payouts, I'm one of the most profitable YouTubers, and probably in the top 10. I'm sure there's some that are way better traders than I am, and that's great. And I would love to get better, and then that's gonna be the goal eventually, right? But I found the piece that works for me, which is the opening range trade, and it's changing my life. And that's all we could ask for. Make the most amount of money with the least amount of effort, which is my opening range trade. And then some scalps here and there. Astro Boy, yeah. So definitely will not be able to get a payout from account 116. And I'll just trade that account till May 20th. And I'm gonna up the size on the opening trade on that account. I'm gonna trade 4 to 5 contracts on that account. I'm gonna do 4 contracts out of next week, and then I'm gonna do 5 contracts the following week on that account, and try to get it to like 60,000 plus, because then it's gonna be unlimited payouts in June, and then in June maybe I could go for that 100K payout. Yes, CH, you could scalp. There's no restrictions on scalping with Apex. It's 10 days after the, so it starts the day after you request the payout. So if I requested a payout today, which I didn't yet. Okay, so this is gonna be a good example. If I request a payout from these accounts, listen up. If I request a payout from these accounts before 5 o'clock today, today's trading day counts as day number 1 for the next payout cycle. Okay. If I wait till 6 o'clock to request the payouts, when all the P&L and stuff settles, then Monday will be day number 1 for these accounts. But if I requested it right now, today hasn't settled yet. The system doesn't know I traded today. So if I request a payout from it today, right now before 5 p.m., today's trading, like account, let's say account number 120, 136. I made $200. That $200 is for the next payout window. Okay. If I request before 5 o'clock. Does that make sense? Do you copy trade all your PAs? At the open, I copy trade most of my PAs now, but it took me a long time to trust to copy trade that many PAs. I did 5 to 6 at most, and I did 7, 8, and I did 10. Then I thought the copy trader was basically capped out at 10 PAs or 10 accounts. But now I'm copy trading with 25 and it's working fine, which is crazy. So my opening range trade, I trust it so much that I'm trading so many accounts, but any other trades, I don't copy trade. And I probably should, but like this trade, for example, 158. Like this trade, if I would have copy traded this trade, that would have been very nice, you know? That is a trade that that's all you need. That's what Matt does. One trade like this. I mean, that's $500. Probably don't even need that much. You said you're gonna give me $34 instead of a free eval code. I need to answer. Don't answer on mail. Let me check. Are you the guy that didn't use his code? Mm-hmm. We got a nice sell off here. One sec. This is annoying. I just sent it. If I automate my strategies, technically you're not allowed to use automated strategies, so I don't know. I'm not gonna give you. I say do it, and then if you get denied, at least you'll know. Sometimes you gotta try things in life. Gotta take risks. I don't know the answers to those questions because I don't do it. So as long as it's, I don't know. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I was supposed to leave at like 12. What computer do I use? I have a 3090 graphics card, 64 gigs of RAM, and i9 13900. So 13 gen. We have a video on setting up copy trader through QUANTOWER. It's very simple. You just click the plus sign. You select whatever parent connection you want, and then you add accounts. It's very simple. The only thing is it gets complicated if you want to change sizes between accounts. But they're working on a big update for that. And then you make sure that you turn it on. It's QUANTOWER. Wow, nice sell off here. Yes, if it's one firm, you could do it for free. Hey, doo-doo. I'm going to be calling this a week. I had some amazing trades this morning, and I'm super excited to just end the week like this on the positive. It's been a stressful week. A lot of chop, a lot of bottom ticks, and the opening range trade was not easy this week at all. Like this whole week, it's just been a very tough week with the opening trade. This was my entries this morning. So I didn't get filled till the minute after, and I had a pretty low entry and then got out. Went against me at first, and then just a tough one. Yeah, it's free copier. I'm just gonna request my payouts from Bullnox now, so that way I don't forget. Payout request account 541. No, I'm gonna request 1500 from this. Five, 4, 1, 8. Yeah, I could request 1800 from this account, but I'm just gonna request 1500. Screw it. Account 431, I could request 3000. That's another account, $3,000. So I'll be requesting 6,000 from Bullnox. Payouts coming in one after another. And 1500 from this one. And submit. All right, that's 6,000 from Bullnox, and then I got a request from from Apex. So from Apex, I'm gonna request from this account 2750, and then 136. And 2,000 from this one. So that's 10 grand in payouts, 11 grand basically. I'm gonna request 2,000 from 2,250 from Elite Trader funding. So that's gonna be, it's 10, 11. So it's gonna be 13. And then the other ones I'm gonna request on Sunday. Because if they don't get approved by Monday, then at least I could trade them on Monday and still get a cushion. So like these accounts, this one I'm gonna request, but like this one, I'm gonna request this on Sunday, all of these. This one, this one, this one, and this one, I'm gonna request them on Sunday. So if they don't get approved by Monday morning, at least I'll be able to trade with full balance and grow a cushion for the next payout window while I'm waiting for the approval. So for a lot of people, the longer approval period actually sucks. For me, I'm gonna use it to my advantage at this point to grow these accounts a little bit. And obviously there's a risk involved, but at least if it takes 2 days, let's say ideally get approved like Tuesday after the open, that would be ideal. And then I'll get, these accounts over 3,000. So I'm gonna have over $1,000 in drawdown. Can you trade day and ETF accounts with QUANTOWER? ETF, yes. Trade day, no. Trade day is CQG. All right, guys. I am the cone. I mean, that's not the ending I was expecting. That is not how I was expecting that message to end. So you're fine. You still got 10 more days or 11 more days to get a payout on May 20th. So take your time. What size account is it? And just divide what you need to make by those 11 days and you'll be fine. Scared money does not make money, but it does not mean you have to size up to some crazy amounts. How's the DJ business? It's good. Can we still buy evals on Monday, pass and start Tuesday? Yes, that is my plan. That is my plan to get to 20 accounts Monday. Well, maybe not 20, but at least like 18 or 19 accounts. I mean, that's a good approach. I mean, if you can't afford to lose the account and it's a lot of money, then you don't want to risk it. So you're doing fine. When are we gonna play Warzone? I haven't played in a while. Can you use Apex fees as write-offs for taxes? Yes, of course. Anything related to your expenses, you could do it. Can you show me how to link Apex to QUANTOWER? I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Due to your, I'm on Facebook Apex page, so you're not doing any. But by linking your accounts to QUANTOWER with Apex should be pretty straightforward. What are you lost about? Because if you just log in, it should work. Have you logged into your Apex accounts on NinjaTrader before? Or did you just start brand new? Because the first day you always have to log into your Apex Rhythmic dashboard to sign documents with every prop firm. All right, so first you got to download Rhythmic Trader Pro and you have to sign into this. And you're going to sign documents. I mean, Welton, I mean, trading is very difficult with no income. I mean, I wouldn't have survived trading without having my DJ business. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it. I've been saying that for like 2 hours now. If you think Replicanto is better, then use that. Use Replicanto. I mean, that's not I think Replicanto is better than Apex, but I haven't used them. I used Replicanto like free version for 7 days back in the day, but I don't know. I would go between QUANTOWER and Sierra Chart. If I didn't know any better about Ninja, I would go between Sierra Chart and QUANTOWER. Giveaway was done already. When we hit 400 likes, the giveaway was done. Oh, if you have a TraderBait account, then yes, that's your problem. How many followers can you have on QUANTOWER? I've had 25 going before, so I don't think there's a limit. Dusk of Legend depends how long it takes them to approve you. Yes, if they approve you in 1 day before Monday, then it's not gonna work. But sometimes they take 3-4 days to approve. That would be beneficial. I always prefer Ninja, or Rhythmic Spy Girl. All right, guys, I gotta go. The time is flying. Every time I look at the clock, it's like 10 minutes has gone by. And I got a busy weekend tomorrow. Only 1 day of work, but it's very busy. Gabriel, hope you're not trading anymore. Hope you got finished on the positive, and have a good weekend, guys. Monday will be here before we know it. And good luck on your payouts if you're requesting them. If today is your 10th day, you'll be able to request a payout after the close. All the way through Sunday night, you can request a payout. All right, guys, take care, and awesome day, best day I've had on PA accounts in forever, if not the best day I've ever had. I think it's monetary, like, or the number wise, it's the best day I've ever had, I think, on PA accounts. I've had a better day on evals, but not on PA accounts. So I'm going to take that as a positive. to end a otherwise sketchy week. It's been a sketchy week. But payouts is all that matters, right? So I asked yesterday on the community post if I should take the payout or if I should grow the accounts. Everyone was like, remember what you always say, take the payouts. It doesn't count until the payouts are in your bank. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the payouts, but I'm going to do them a little bit different this time. I'm going to request them on Sunday and hope they don't get approved till like Tuesday. And then I'm going to have 2 extra days of trading with the full balance. So I could take full size on the trades. And hopefully the trades work out. If the trades don't work out, it would suck. But at the same time, that's part of the risk. Narca. Later, guys. Adios, amigos. Till Monday. Maybe Sunday. I don't know. I'm off Sunday, so maybe I could jump on live. But later, guys.